Judge of God. What going on now? Alton they over there so people so my thing I know I have to try get him out of the Alton! Where there? No tell your girlfriend that. Hi! Morning! How are you? You recognize me? Alton have to tell them so they don't have to talk to stranger my youth. Can we see hi? Can we see pretty baby? Hmm? Which other camera?
So good morning.
What a boy. Yeah, you make this a pretty baby girl, yeah, boy.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi. Hi. Watch him. Show off, you see? Show off, you see? Show off, boy. Sultan,
Eh?
where's the way are there now?
I'm gonna call a girl and find out.
Call a girl.
Yeah.
How you call a girl? It's Lexi
Yeah.
from 876 Cashment TV. You know, what do you think about Lexi though? What do you think about Lexi and acting on movies?
At first, I go actually see
Or what you expect though? Based on what you see in a Cashment TV.
I expect to get a wonderful show today.
Expect to get a wonderful show.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Definitely.
So a young miss name?
This is Mia Rain Garden.
Oh, cool. Hi, Mia. How old is she?
She's 1
Judge of God.
plus.
Big up yourself. So, you ready now?
I'll call her, I'll find out. Let's see what it is.
Oh, so we are call up. So let me know. Lock me out of that place. The chihuahua over there. Be cool. Ugly dog there. But Alton, I can't have video. I can't have video. Eh? I can't have to stay out. Okay, so for reason you probably won't understand, I'm gonna stay out right out there so with the camera. So you say ready now? Oh, so go time, I'm ready now. Okay, man. You come spend some time with your family. I go do it, man. So, I'm gonna do that. Forward now, pick up Lexi as I did tell you before. Yeah. I haven't met Lexi ever. Kinda excited for me, sir. I want to ask about the whole Tavi and World Dog and who else is there on that show there again? Tavi, World Dog, Dino Crazy, Jaja. Would I interview one Dino Crazy too, though? Ask him about the Hammond's Canvas. As the tune the name of the hit when with that to the partner, Wicked Man Chris. Yeah. What's the man that takes a lot? Alright, so you look like a go time I know.
Alright.
You ready? Get one. Can I get a scissors? A scissor? Can I get one scissors, my boss?
See that?
Yeah.
See that?
You have seen for mash up that? Okay.
Well. Brother, I inform upon me things, brother. I inform upon me.
If you know what I shoot and when certain things don't catch in the camera, I just don't catch. You inform for yourself.
Good morning.
Hi. So, a lady look like Judge style. But anyways, apparently them not ready yet, so we have to look a bit more waiting. But when I'm not gonna watch nothing too boring, so we're gonna cut as in already bloop, and then we come back, probably come back, meet up Lexi, you know, but I'm not gonna watch nothing lame, so Come more for now.
Alright, so remember the pointers them. I, because you're crying.
I have to wash up first. And then.
No, so yeah, you're not crying, man. Then you go to that afterwards. Man, no, I'm not crying. No, they can't do. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Go back, check it. You understand?
Action. Alright, so people, that was before they actually meet Lexi. Now at this point, we do a movie and everything already. Richie there edit it up over there. So what do I think of Lexi? Someone tell me. We'll ask some people first. I am Popeye.
Yeah.
Any work with Lexi? Did you get a chance to work with Lexi? Did you meet her?
You could ask me that question. It was a wonderful joy. I love that girl. I know Lexi a long time before Lexi. First I was friend with Lexi a long time before.
Oh, I didn't know her before we got pick her up.
I know her before she's up.
876 or something.
Before that and before social media.
How long you know Lexi from when?
From she just started off in YouTube.
Oh. What do you think about her work ethic and her acting and all of that?
I'm not gonna lie, she's bad.
She bad.
I know. I want to promote her in one of the movies that I'm doing. So Lexi, stay tuned.
Oh, alright. So don't tell me what you think. Just don't tell me what you think, man. Yo, brown one.
Hey bro, what's going on?
You did get work with Lexi?
No, you know, so we never get to do no scene with Lexi though.
You meet her though?
Yeah, we meet her, she's a nice person.
Oh.
Actually, you know, she's not a bad person.
You didn't watch Cashment TV 876? You watch it?
No, I didn't watch it.
Oh, cool. Me see her never meet Lexi yet. Richie not there for me ask him one thing about Lexi. I think if I was like a reserve in your opinion, so can't ask him nothing either. But me think about her? I like work with her. Like I like acting with her.
Yeah.
Me know I can't manage her as a director. I can't manage her as a director, but apart from that, acting, yeah. She's an amazing girl. Nice to work with her, work ethic up. Yeah, big up yourself, Lexi. Alright, that, little more. Big up on yourself. And yes, movies are come, but as time goes by, and with the lockdown, things, movies are come. Don't worry yourself. Just stay loyal, click the notification bell, subscribe for your first time, and definitely stay tuned now. We are upgraded things. So you know, so when you upgrade it takes some time. Even when you upgrade a computer or your phone, it takes some time and then restart. And, yeah, so that are going. Some movies are come. Don't worry yourself. Make sure you subscribe, you know, and hit the notification bell and share the content. Check out previous content for previous videos for entertaining content. Look more.